In this short introductory video, we are going to analyze um, eDiscovery feature in Office 365 Security and Compliance Center. So if you click on eDiscovery, here you will see two options, eDiscovery and Advanced eDiscovery. For now, we will just focus on standard eDiscovery, and then I will touch base a little bit on Advanced eDiscovery. So when you click on eDiscovery, what it is used for is during the legal investigation, when you need to provide some content to legal structures or to the police. Basically, you can open a case and you set some content on hold. It could be a mailbox, it could be OneDrive, SharePoint, etc. When you set this content on hold, it means that the content cannot be deleted anymore from the tenant. So when you create a case, it just allows you to make sure it's like a placeholder where you can store the relevant content and can run content searches. Let me show you how you do it. It's quite simple. So I create a new case. I just give it a case name, test. And I can give it a description, or just in this case, I'm not going to do it. Then I see that this case is open. You see also in my 10, the second one, it's closing. It takes a while to do it. I go to this active case, and within the case, I see several options. There is a home, holds, searches, and exports. So those are the main tabs, the main components of each eDiscovery case in Office 365. Under holds, we can basically set specific things on hold here. If I set the hold, give it a name, then description, then we can go to the locations. So this is a list of available locations which can be set on hold. It could be Exchange, Office 365 group, email, Skype for Business, team messages, to do, and also OneDrive, SharePoint sites, team sites, Exchange public folders. So these are the list of all available locations. We can also set it based on a specific user. So in our case, what I can do, I can set our big boss email on hold. It means that only one user, his Exchange email is set on hold and he is not able to delete it any longer. Then I go next. I can provide specific keywords which will be relevant for content search in order to get the content of this case. And then I create this hold. So now in this test case, I have one hold, and this hold for one email mailbox of our chief in this test company. And basically that's what how to create a hold. The next step after the hold is created, I can run a search. So if I want to search for specific messages in this mailbox, I can definitely do it from here. Do a new search, search keyword, for example, password. We can add conditions. So there are some specific conditions like date, subject, sensitive type, etc. I'm not going to specify these conditions. and then the locations. In our case, we just search for specific locations. They are on hold. Filter on the query because the location is not selected. So we send the location on hold. And then I run a search. In this case, in the mailbox, there are no keywords with this password. So the search is empty. Also, I can do the export. If there were some results, I could do the export. But in this case, I'm not going to do the export, just to show you this menu. After the search is complete, when the search has some results, we can export the results here. So each case can have one or more exports. So that's just a very, very brief touch base on the eDiscovery. It's used for legal cases. It has basically the object has to be sent on hold. Then you do the search and then you do the export. Those are the main components. I hope it's been helpful and easy to understand. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.